There are creatures living in your face, not bacteria, actual 8-legged organisms crawling through your pores while you sleep. I captured them on video, and once you see what I saw, you'll never look at your face the same way. These things are in your eyebrows, your nose, your forehead. Everyone has them. Meet the Demodex face. Mite, that thing you're looking at is living inside your facial pores right now. Hundreds of them. They're 1/3 of a millimeter long, with 8 stubby legs and a worm-like body. Under the microscope, they look like tiny aliens. During the day, they hide deep in your hair follicles. But at night, they crawl out onto your skin surface to mate and lay eggs. Here's the disturbing part. They feed on your dead skin cells and the oils your face produces. Watch this one. Feeding its head is literally buried in a sebaceous gland. They spend their entire lives on your face, and they don't have anuses, so they just keep storing waste inside their bodies until they die and decompose on your skin. Studies show adults have between 1,000 to 2,000 mites living on their faces at any time. Your T-zone has the highest population density. The crazy thing, they're mostly harmless. They've evolved with humans for thousands of years. But if populations explode, they can cause rosacea and other skin conditions. You can't get rid of them completely. They're part of being human. Comment if you're resisting the urge to wash your face right now, because I definitely did after filming this. Be sure to subscribe for more.